Alright, my radiant over here loop is not heating. My pump is not moving water. So one way to verify a non-working pump is you check for power, set the voltage, and I have 124 volts. Alright, so I have 124 volts, so I got power. Now I'm looking for I can't read it, probably 0.71 they usually are. And I got 0 amps. So the pump is not operating. Therefore I gotta replace it. First thing I'm gonna do, shut the power off. Let's verify the pump has no power. Zero volts. So I could take it apart. Here's one thing that I do not like what I'm seeing. This blue stuff. There's blue block right here. Very hard to get apart. So put the wire nuts on the side. I'm gonna have to flip the flange because the pump I have, where the flanges would make it sit like this, and this pump cannot be installed like this. It has to be installed horizontally. So, and the water goes that way, but I gotta get my flanges to match these flanges, which means I gotta rotate. First thing I'm gonna do, valve. Okay, I valved it all off. Now I'm gonna drop my pressure. Okay, pressure is gone. Now I'm gonna take my bolts off. Lots of space in here. Once I get to a certain point, it will loosen by hand. Well, this is going to be fun, this one. As long as I can get in to hold it. Just gonna let this water dribble out. This one should be easy. That back one's gonna put a fight up. Put my wrenches down. Let's see. Okay. The back one, I at least got it to move. And one of these is screwed down. Let's get that off. All right. All right, let's get to the back one. Oh wait, that's the larger one. 11. Nope. Oh, wow. Where'd the 5/8 go? Not 9/16. That's why it wasn't fitting. Okay, they're all out. Let this water come out. It'll stop soon. Fortunately, it's finished with woodwork here. I can't let it just drip out a lot. Still dripping. This side's about done. Let that sit there. Flange. That's cranked in pretty far. And I gotta spin it more in. Somebody overdid both of them. Maybe better to take them off. Could be. Let's get 2 wrenches on here. One to hold, one to turn. I could try to tighten, but if this comes in much more, it won't let this sit in. So which sucks because usually I'll tighten them just a little bit. This one I could. Yeah, let me try. Let's just see what happens. No. Definitely probably gonna need more leverage for this. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I might have to heat it. Right here. Yeah! Where's that copper splinter? Oh, it didn't stick in good. I hate those things. Did it to myself. I might have to just heat this because this is very hard to move. Let's see if I brush it a little. I despise this stuff more than anything else. Blue block. Usually you do have to heat it to turn it. Not for anything, it might be easier to spin it from here than to mess with there. Just like here. Easier to spin it from here. Heat, turn, add a little more solder. Alright, first time trying, a little bit of a failure. Should probably get a pipe wrench. See, this is recessed more. This one, it's not. Pretty much flush. When I put this on, there's no turning space on it. But let's just see. What I could do with this. And a pipe wrench to get this one to turn. I'm not worried about this one right now. I want to get that to go. Alright, so good. I just gotta hold it so I can't move on here. No, it's not moving. Okay. I don't want to spray it. Because if I use a torch, it's just going to make more smoke. But I'm not able.
Okay, so it's on test for 2 hours.
All right. Unable to move it. Let's see. Come on. No. No. Okay. I'm gonna have to heat and flip. So let me give this a little bit more play here. Worst case scenario, I could take it off and remove it from the boiler. So I got that union and that union. I want to loosen this a little. Help the water come through. But if I'm going to heat it, I also want to get this rubber off if I can. Probably can't, but I don't want to melt it. The wire, let's get this up and out. Put it back there for now. Okay, this one. Key. Gotta be careful. Wooden wall. Got my 2 wrenches set up. Okay, that'll work on that side. That'll work on this side. Just got to make it turn a little bit. Want to bring it down though. And hold it. So, put them right here. Lower the regulator. So right here it's going to be like a torch. Not trying to soften the solder. What's up? Won't move. Somebody used the blue block, and that stuff gets rock hard.
Oh, you're trying to twist them out?
I gotta move the flange. Because the new pump, these flanges won't work. Maybe I gotta twist it out, because it is bottomed out.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
So
You spin it all the way to the last thread, it looks like.
they went past that.
Holy shit.
There we go. Got it to move. I couldn't get it to budge at all until I heated it. Of course, now I can't touch it, but it's at least coming off. I told her to throw it in test just in case. I kind of figured I was going this route. When I saw that it had blue block on it, I didn't want to all of a sudden get to that point and then say I need it in a test mode. How's upstairs going? Oh yeah?
It's like a couple of stuck valves.
Oh.
Like the actuators are working, it seems like, but the valves, like the pin is pushed all the way down and won't like come back up.
Oh no, even if you spray it?
Yeah, I sprayed it. I even kind of wiggled it up and down to see if it'll free it up.
Oh yeah, and you can't grab it?
Yeah, it's just stuck.
Ooh.
So there's like a couple I left with the heads off because they're not even doing anything.
Yeah.
And those are the ones we're gonna have to work on. But it's only a couple. It's only like a few out of like 20.
Holy shit. Alright. And I thought the pump was gonna be easy.
Yeah, that's how it always is. You always, every time you think something's easy.
Nope, and the worst part is because I don't have my truck, I'm trying not to soften the solder. I have solder but no flux in this spare truck.
You want a rag? You want a wet rag or something?
Once I got it to budge. I got it.
You got it.
Tightening it so I won't, this one I won't have to remove. But I hate how it's bottomed out.
That's insane.
All right, let's get a little Teflon on. It's because it was cranked and killed already, these fittings. The other one I could leave, I tightened it. Jobs like this always happen when you don't have your actual truck. You just take a few things out. Hard to move your whole truck. Let's see. Where's my brush? Okay, my gasket should be sitting around that mess, but still, don't want to take a chance of it screwing things up. On this side, looks like a B&G flange that somebody converted, painted green. Okay. Alright, I mean, look at that, I bottomed out. Alright, so let's get this ready. A little gloopy here. It's gonna help that gasket slip on a little easier. And my arrow is pushing in. Loosen that and that. This is where I need it to slide, so this way my gasket stays in place. Which it did. Sometimes comes undone there. 1, 2. Three, 4, sure this gets tightened evenly. Oop. Getting there. Something with this I don't like. It's a little bit of an angle. So loosen. Okay, that's holding that. Now to find out if it leaks. Good. Good. And if it does, I snug it up more. Good. Here we go. Adding the water. Slowly come in. Now to open this to wire. Okay, boom. 1, 2. Lock nut. So far, no leak. Right, so the wire nuts. And set the high. I'm gonna have to turn that down. But crank these so they bolt, start to twist. Try to get tucked. Then I gotta get the ground in on the casing. Well, I don't have one of them on me. Okay, whatever. Bring it down. Make it easier. Try to get it behind. Home phone. Where is needle nose? First loosen that. A little more. If I can fit this in. Good, now tighten. Okay. Nope. Yeah. Piece of cake. 1, 2, 3. Hey, just getting the wiring on. Oh, you suck.
Alrighty, so I freed up one of them with this stuff.
No, there's no?
There was, the other one is no, and I tried. I pulled it up a few times, I twisted the screw.
Yeah.
You know, it's not freeing up, so that pin might need to be replaced. Besides that, it's the only one that has the pin problem.
Alright.
You know, with the pins. There's 2 actuators that need to be replaced because the stuff that locks it onto it,
Yeah.
that little like clip, I guess, it's snapped off in there.
Oh, at these?
Yeah, well no, it's like there's 2 little like
The ring?
Yeah, it goes around the ring.
So the ring
like,
snapped or these snapped?
Well, it's like one side of it isn't clipping in. But
Oh, one side you can't get down.
Yeah, it won't. So it won't push down the valve. You know, so the actuator's probably gonna have to be replaced there. Because I tried.
And you tried pushing them as you forced it?
Well, I mean the actual piece in there, it snapped out.
Oh.
On one of them, so that one's definitely. And the other one's like stuck inside. And it won't. I tried needling it out. It won't come out. So.
There you go. An operating pump, moving water. Till next time, I'm out.